We'll guide you through how to fix Dropbox sync problems. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open the Dropbox application on your desktop. Go to the bottom right corner of your taskbar and find the Dropbox icon. Then right-click on it and select Preferences. In the Preferences window, click on the Account tab to make sure you're logged in correctly. Sometimes, signing out and back into your account can resolve sync issues, so go ahead and click Sign Out if needed, then log back in with your credentials. Next, navigate to the Sync tab within the same Preferences window. Check if the Selective Sync option is enabled. This feature allows you to choose which folders are synced to your computer. Click on Selective Sync, and make sure the folders you want to sync are checked. If they're not, check them and click Update. After updating, close the Preferences window. Now, let's ensure the Dropbox app is running smoothly. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix issues. Right-click the Dropbox icon again and select Quit Dropbox. Then, reopen the Dropbox application from your Start menu or desktop shortcut. This restart can refresh the app's processes and resolve sync issues. Another step you can take is to check your internet connection. A stable connection is crucial for Dropbox to sync files properly. You may want to restart your router or try connecting via a different network if possible. Finally, visit the Dropbox website and log into your account to see if there are any notifications or alerts related to storage space or account status that might affect syncing. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most Dropbox sync issues efficiently. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.